Hey guys, welcome back to the Man Cave. Today I'm going to continue with showing you guys how I make things on computer. Uh, Last time I showed you how I edit my videos. This time I'm going to show you how I make the in-screen templates for my videos. So let's go ahead and get started. First we need to open up Photoshop. What I have here is Photoshop CS6. It's an old version, and it's the kind I'm used to. I know newer versions have better options and editing tools and whatnot, but I don't really care for them. This is what I learned on, and it's really sad that they don't make the CS versions anymore, because they are the easiest to use in my opinion. Like when you have multiple pictures on the side here, you can't just click on control click on all of them and merge them. You have to actually go up, select them, go to layer, and more steps than there really needs to be. But let's go ahead and get started with generating these in-screen templates. So we're going to go up to File, we're going to go to New, and we're going to set it at 1280 by 720 pixels with a 72 resolution, pixels per inch, RGB color mode, 8-bit, background white contents. Click OK. Alright. So now we're going to go up to we're going to go up to Window, we're going to go up to Arrange and consolidate all tabs. Now in previous version I didn't have to do that each time. For whatever, my laptop went down and my wife had to find a new another version for me. Adobe doesn't sell it anymore, so we really had to hunt it down. And I'm not sure if what I had was CS6 or not. It might have been another version, maybe CS7 or CS5, something like that. But they're almost identical except for that little bit. So anyway, now we're going to give this a border. So you want to select any color, really, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to go over here to, we're going to right click, and I want the rounded rectangle tool. Okay, so then we're going to line it up. I usually do it to where both points touch the top and side, and then I'm going to bring it down the exact same way where both points touch the side and bottom. Okay, so there we have that. Now we want to select that tool, and then we come over here, we go to the rounded rectangle one, we right click, convert to smart object. Okay, then we're going to come over here, we're going to select paint bucket, which you have gradient tool, paint bucket tool, 3D material drop tool. We're going to select paint bucket. We're going to change this color to black, click OK, and then see how it's got a circle with a line through it. We can't really do anything right now, but you just want to click OK, and there. Now it's going to allow you. Alright, so we got that. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and remove the background here. So we're going to delete that first one that we started with. Yes, you can also merge them, it doesn't really matter, whatever you want to do. And then we're going to come over here to the eraser tool. We're going to right click, we're going to go down to Magic Erase Tool, and we're just going to click on the red. So now we have the black border with an empty space. So now I'm going to go ahead and select a color, and we're going to go ahead and type in the like, comment, subscribe, and share. Now we gotta wait a second for it to generate. Okay. Oh, it didn't take over the color. In the previous version I had, it would transfer the color over to that. We're gonna select it, click OK. When you do that, you just click on this color right up here. Okay. So it's text tool, which you have horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, horizontal type mask tool, vertical type mask tool. Just horizontal type tool. Okay. And I selected the Ghostbusters font. It's a generic font. As long as you don't capitalize the O, it looks nice. We're gonna go subscribe. Then we want to click off of it. Do another type tool. Comment. Let's go ahead and move that down a little bit. Another type tool. Like. And share. Alright. So we got those. We can arrange them however we want. We're going to move. I'm going to put this right here. Oh. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Alright. Now we're going to move these others out of the way for right now. Okay. So in order to do that, now you want to select each one individually because you have multiple layers going here. So in order to move the subscribe, you click on the subscribe. In order to move the comment, you click on the comment and you can move it. Now if say you clicked on the comment and you forget and you try to move the like, you're going to actually end up moving the comment. So you just click on the like and then you can move it. Free range. Not very difficult. So we're going to go back to the subscribe. Okay, we're going to click on Control T, and that'll bring this box around the subscribe button. We're going to pull it. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. All right, we're going to go back here, apply, and then we are going to go to free transform. No, we're not going to do that. We are going to go to transform puppet warp. Okay. The way they got these laid out. Alright. So then it should just be transform warp. Okay, there we go. That's the right one we want. And then for transform warp, you went up to edit, you went to transform, then you went down to warp. Okay, so then we're going to click on one of these circles, we're going to bring it up, and we're essentially just warping it. We're going to bring Alright, so we got that. You just click off here like this. So we got that warped. Yeah, it looks okay. So we're just going to move it to right here. This is where the subscribe icon is going to go at the end. So then what we want to do is we're going to move these. Do comment, like, put right there, and we're going to move share right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to Control T on the comment. That looks good there. We're going to Control T on the like. Okay, that looks good. Apply. And then we're going to Control T on the share. There we go. All right, and now we are going to merge these layers together. So you click on the subscribe, Control, hold the Control while you click on the other layers you want to merge together. And then when you got them all highlighted, you right click, Convert to Smart Object. There you go. Now we're going to add a little bit of detail to this. So we're going to do we're going to go to Stroke. We are going to do white border. Click OK. Click OK. Oh, there we go. We're going to increase it just a little bit. All right. Click OK. Then we want to right click. We want to convert to Smart Object. And then we can do it all over again with a black. So we can go to Stroke. And we're going to increase. There we go. That looks good. And then we are going to do an outer glow. We're going to go to normal. And then we're going to do the size. And we're going to do black. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Once you get into YouTube, then you can add in the links and all that, the subscribe here, the 2 videos, whatever. Then we just go up here to File and Save As. And then when you add that to your video, since it's got a transparent background, it'll show up with the images underneath. And I'm going to save it. Let's go to Pictures. No, this computer has so many different files. I need to consolidate them at some point. Okay, we'll go to Downloads. And we're going to save it as a PNG in order to be able to work with that. So then we're just going to do end screen, save. It's as simple as that. So make sure you tune in next time. Take care.